when the vice president died, who is acting as the president?
Oh, fuck. I'm dumb. I take physical science and pure maths. I don't take history and geography.
Hello, Michael. I love you so much.
Okay, wait.
So if the vice president died, who will become the president?
It would be the Zuma.
God have mercy upon us.
I think the DA will become president.
How?
I don't know. Do you vote for the ANC or the DA?
But I don't know. Isn't that Zuma?
Listen properly.
The president is Zuma, right?
If the vice president died, who will become the president?
Zero.
If the vice president died, who would become the president?
Yep.
Fuck. I might not even get this. One of the ministers should be, or not. I'm not sure.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
If a vice president died, who will become the president?
I don't know, man. I'm not a politician's guy, you know.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
When the vice president died, who is acting as the president?
Oh, fuck. I'm dumb. I take physical science and pure maths. I don't take history and geography.
Y'all make me sick. Y'all make me sick.
If the vice president died, who will become the president?
Well, nobody. The president would stay the president because it's the vice president.
If the vice president dies,
Yeah.
but if the president's still alive, then he remains president.
The president will stay the president because that's the vice president, not the president.
She's got a point.
Wait, who is even the vice president?
Just answer the question, okay? Please don't play with me right now.
If the vice president died now, who will become the president?
The president himself.
No, wait! No, if the vice president died, Cyril would still say the president.
And that was supposed to be the answer. That was very tricky, but you just...
Was I right?
Yeah, because if the vice president died, the president still be a president.
I'm smart, aren't I?
Oh, Lord. You know what I'm thinking?